What up, everybody? We're out at Waiparous. We got a couple of the boys behind me on the quads. We got tons of snow out here. Should be awesome. Welcome to the first episode of Country Slicker. We're gonna have a ton more content coming at you. It's gonna be lifestyle stuff. So Jeeps, quads, sleds, mud, Alberta fun, BC fun, all the good stuff. But we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna unload and yeah, we're gonna get out on the trail, and we got some cool spots to show you today. What up, everybody? So we have made it, Margaret Lake. This is where we are. Look at that view. Oh my gosh, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Look at that view, unbelievable. We've made it out here. It's gorgeous. Little bit of issues with traction, but you know what, nothing that a little bit of throttle couldn't fix. We just got the fire going in the background there, as you can see. So we're gonna cook up some hot dogs and then on to the second leg of the journey. Can't wait. All right, everybody, we're almost at Margaret Lake, but I had to show the boys first. I got a nice little snow fort here, you can see behind me. The boys are exploring. What are you thinking there, buddy?
Fucking mint.
Mint.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, we made it back to the vehicles. We got the quad loaded, we got the Jeep loaded. Awesome day. Margaret Lake was crazy. We saw some amazing views. We had some good food, had some smokies. Thank you so much for coming. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, this new channel, we're gonna make sure we got tons of new content coming at you guys. But thank you so much for coming out. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, Country Slicker. We're gonna make this an amazing channel. We're gonna have a lot of fun, and we're gonna bring you along for the ride. So thank you. As per always, you know, in a world so full of negativity, always try to be positive, always try to see the bright side, always try to have a lot of fun. Thanks, guys.